Neurological diseases often cause numbness in the hands and feet. Electromyography and nerve conduction, velocity or EMG-NCV, is a test used to diagnose a variety of neurological diseases that cause numbness. The machine uses electrical signals to examine the nerves and muscles. Small electrodes are attached to the skin near the affected area, typically the hands and feet. The electrical impulses are then sent through the electrodes and the speed and strength of the signals are measured. So, if you're experiencing numbness, the EMG-NCV can provide accurate insights into the health of your nerves and muscles. Snoring and insomnia can be symptoms of sleep apnea, a sleep disorder that occurs when your breathing repeatedly stops and starts while you're asleep. This can cause a lack of oxygen to the brain, which can lead to various problems associated with other brain diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. There are a number of sleep tests that can be used to diagnose sleep apnea. These tests measure your breathing, heart rate, and oxygen levels during sleep. The sooner you get diagnosed and treated for sleep apnea, the better your chances of preventing other severe health issues. Treatment for neurological diseases is crucial and requires precision and patience. Neurosurgeons at Vejthani are specialized in diagnosing and treating neurological disorders in the nervous system. Minimally invasive techniques are used to treat these diseases in the hybrid OR, which is a state-of-the-art operating room equipped with the cutting-edge technologies for treating neurological conditions. As we age, our brains may face an increased risk of degeneration. Fortunately, modern medical advancements like MRI can help doctors to precisely detect diseases like dementia. Once diagnosed, these conditions can be effectively managed through medication and targeted brain training programs, aiming to slow down the process of brain deterioration, ultimately enhancing the quality of life for individuals on this aging journey. Migraine is one of the most prevalent neurological conditions. It has a profound impact on a patient's physical and mental well-being. Thankfully, today, we have effective treatment methods like oral and injectable medications that are designed to ease the triggering factors that cause the pain. If you ever find yourself suffering from headaches, remember that there is hope and help is accessible. Seeking medical advice is your first step towards freedom from the grasp of neurological conditions. With a proper diagnosis and tailored treatment, you can reclaim a life free from the burden you may have.